So for non-load bearing studs, what you're trying to do is brace that top of stud from rotating. And so when you have a typical non-load bearing stud seated inside a deflection track, there's nothing to prevent that stud from twisting. So you have to put bridging within the top 12 inches of the stud. However, if you're installing clips on every stud or the jambs, then those elements are prevented from twisting at its end. So you've resolved that issue. And so you do not need to install bridging on those members, those individual members that have those clips on each end.